morning, everyone. My name is Arihan Jain, and today I am speaking few lines on Independence Day. We are proud to be a people of independent India. We are the largest democracy in the world today. Unity in diversity is the speciality of Indians. Being proud citizen of our country, we can never forget the importance of 15 August in our history. Yes, the day when India got freedom. It's a day to celebrate freedom by paying tribute to our freedom fighter who showed immense bravery, patriotism, love for their mother nation and gifted us a free and a beautiful India. We, the people of India, must pledge to carry the legacy of our freedom fighters and make our country proud. Indian Independence Day marked the end of the British rule in 1947 and a pathway of free and independent India. India Independence Day March towards the first 1857 Indian independence movement. The Indian Mutiny Act was the first to revolt against the British rule. This response rose again with the Indian Mass Movement in 1885, which is followed by non-cooperation movement in 1920. Several events in history that cannot be raised, like Jallianwala Bagh massacre. In 1929, the Indian Civil Disobedience Movement was launched, which showed completely disobedience towards the British rule. In 1942, Quit India Movement was launched, which forced the Britishers to leave out from our country. Several freedom fighters are being the part of the struggle and sacrificed their life to bring back India's glory again. Finally, in year 1947, 15 August, India finally got independence. It is our responsibility, being proud citizen of our country, we should perform our duty for the development of our country. As we being an independent nation by which sovereign power could lie with us and determine our future and give us a heavy responsibility to our soldiers. So let us join our hands and make this Independence Day the world's best Independence Day and make our India world's best country in the world. A famous quote said that no sacrifice is greater than the sacrifice of motherland. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.